Okay, everyone, I am really sick and tired of kids setting off fire alarms in schools of all kind. Public schools, private schools, and charter schools. I am really sick and tired of kids setting off fire alarms in schools. The reason why I am really sick and tired of this behavior is because this type of behavior puts other people's lives at risk. Because there could be a real emergency going out somewhere, and if you pull that fire alarm for fun, the fire department could not go to that real emergency because you pulled the alarm. They have to go to the false alarm. And because of you, those people are dying. And that is not okay at all. And also, this will get you into very serious trouble. It will get you grounded by your parents. It will get you suspended and expelled from school. It will get you fined. And it will eventually get you arrested by the police. So, I am done with kids thinking that it is okay to set off fire alarms in schools when it is not. Now, if there is a fire inside the school, or if you have permission to do it for the fire drills or the fire alarm system tests, then it is okay. But doing it to get out of class or something like that, no. It is not okay at all. It has almost been 7 years since one of my classmates pulled the fire alarm in the elementary school gymnasium after gym class. And he got into very big trouble for doing that. So this is why I am posting don't tamper with fire alarm videos repeatedly, so I can inform everybody that tampering with fire alarms is not a joke, and fire alarms are meant to be taken very seriously. Goodbye.